Oh, chicken.
Let's be awake.
Okay, hi. Today is March 25th. This is Service Binding Operator Weekly call. Today we have few agenda. I think Prithviraj can start with the first topic, that is about the Service Binding Operator release.
Right. So yesterday, Service Binding Operator version 0.6 got released to the Operator Hub, to the upstream operators, and during today I started the release process in Red Hat Catalog. Hopefully, this is also going to be up and available by the end of today. If not then today, then probably latest next Monday. Yeah, I mean, this particular release contains one major huge performance and resource consumption improvement, which brings a lot of in regards to stability of the operator in a cluster. So we tested this particular improvement on dev sandboxes, which are the very big clusters with 3,000 users and 10,000 namespaces, and we were creating simultaneously up to 3,000 service bindings, and the memory consumption, for example, is just about between 50 and 80 megabytes compared to previous consumption, which was between 10 and 12 gigabytes of RAM. So a couple of orders of magnitude improvement, which is I would say a great stuff, and I would like to thank to the team for doing this very quickly and in a great manner.
Yeah, great work on this. Nice improvements for anybody who is using this service binding operator and leveraging it. So this is really good.
Yep.
Okay, I think I'll move on to the next topic that I added. One of the challenges that we are facing right now is to publish this recording is I'm recording this video, but I'm not able to publish it by myself. So it looks like only Jasper can do that, making it public. So I have a suggestion that let's create a YouTube channel and add multiple owners into that, and it is possible to change that owners later point. We can change or add any others also. That's possible, and I can see Hem communities doing that, and some other communities also doing similarly. So if no other objection or something, I can volunteer to create a YouTube channel and add some of us into that as owners itself. I think that's fine. So then all of us can manage.
Sounds good. Makes sense to me.
Okay, then I'll share and add a few others then. Okay, I'll share that information later. Okay.
Just maybe one quick question. Did you have a preference in terms of, like, does it make sense to use the same ID as our team ID to host or own that YouTube channel?
Same ID. I don't think channel has any ID or anything, right?
It's usually associated with an ID. I thought, like a Google account.
No. There is no. By default, you get a channel. Everyone who has a Google account gets a channel. Apart from that, we can create additional channels.
Okay.
So that channel, is something that we can share with multiple owners actually, or managers and other people. I can investigate a little more and then explain, how it works.
Sure.
My YouTube channel only has 46 subscribers, but there is no video in it, so nothing.
Sure.
Thanks. Okay, there is one more topic, that is logo for SBO. I can see we are currently using Red Hat logo, which I don't know whether it's a good idea. Anyway, I mean the operatorhub.io, we can see. I mean, you can take over.
Yeah, we have this story for quite some time in the backlog, but I don't know if we've made efforts to reach out to the right people or get help on that.
Do we?
Yeah, so we will need help for that. I think we can engage. I have a thread that has start on another topic related to icons as well, so I can chime in. Now my question is, do you have an idea of what the icon should be looking like? Because if you do, then I think it can help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can suggest if you want something.
Yeah, I mean, I had made one. It was very like, it wasn't on a software, it was on paper. I don't know which software to use for, or,
Well,
Even if you have a sketch,
share the sketch for us. Yeah.
yeah.
I'm sure a designer will be able to make it to draw it in any kind of software and making it shiny and
And
beautiful
Pretty. Yep.
and
Yep.
pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know whether we need to get any approval from some other, any idea? I don't know, any legal or
It's
any,
upstream.
It's upstream, so yeah.
oh, it's upstream. Okay, then no, hopefully.
We can take submissions and suggestions, but yeah, definitely beyond that, I think it's up to us to decide as a group.
And so, Avni, what is your sketch behind? Just brief. I mean, if you can share with
Yeah.
us, like.
So it's childish, but it's like a circle and there's like a spiral in between and a database up and an application below it.
How do you recognize this database and application? So you have like it's a big thing.
So like in flowcharts, we have a typical database symbol, right? Circular disks. And then an application below that. Like we can use standard flowchart images for it. And for binding, I had the image of spiral binding, but I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah.
Really cool. Do you mind taking a picture of it with your maybe with your mobile, and that's fine.
And that should be
And you-
sufficient, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a picture, and there's an open issue on GitHub as well, so I can post it there also.
You can create it. You can put it into the issue.
Yep.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Great.
Wonderful.
How about just like came to my mind just now? Like how about having like two wheels which are like bound together with a tape? You know, this one, the strong one.
Yeah.
It's like yeah. To me, it's like making pieces connected to each other and working together very closely. So it's like when you are building furnitures, you are using a lot of different small components to make sure that all the pieces are staying together. And yeah, so it's also because I'm looking at how to build a few stuff for myself. So that's why my imagination and inspiration is coming.
And don't use the IKEA logo.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Then I think we don't have any other topics for today.
Yeah, okay, then we can wind up the call. Thank you.
Did you want to do
Oh, no, no.
assignments?
Yeah, right. So we need to one moderator and someone who's going to take notes for the next meetings.
Take notes.
Okay.
Would anyone like to volunteer as a moderator? Yeah.
I can moderate.
Thanks, Avani. Thanks, Jasper.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Sounds good.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye bye.